How to change font in Squarespace. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up the website that you are looking to change the fonts for, and after that you would be able to find this option of site styles at the top right hand side corner. Simply click on it, then here select the option of fonts, and after opening it up select this option of switch right beside your font, and here you get different options, the sans serif or mixed. Simply select any of the pack that you want to go for. Simply just click on it and it would make changes on your site, and it is quite easy to do. Just simply select it and you would be able to see the changes. After that, just get back, and in order to make some more changes like the size of your fonts, just simply click on it. If you want to reduce it, simply click on this option of minus, and if you want to go with something similar, like you want to make the changes in the headings, go with the heading option. If you want to go with the paragraph, simply select it individually, and this way you would be able to see some more options and you can make changes to it. And this is how you would be able to edit or make changes to the fonts on Squarespace. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.